Master your inner dialogue and live the life of your dreams. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shiv Amod. On this channel, we talk everything about law of assumption and practical ways to implement it in your daily life. Also, I have made few videos related to thought, mindset and manifestation. If you would like to watch them, I'll link them in the description box below. Now, let's get into today's video, which is all about inner dialogue. The constant stream of thought and self-talk happening in your mind significantly influence your reality. And if you master the art of inner dialogue, you have the power to shift and align with your desires quickly. So, how exactly inner conversations impact your manifestations? Number 1, shaping your reality. The inner talk you have create the sense of self or the feeling of I. And if you are having negative self-talk all day, you will be creating a negative sense of self and therefore manifesting negative situations in your life. Number 2, programming your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind has deep-rooted thought patterns which are influenced by your inner conversations and past experiences. Now, these subconscious beliefs influence your actions and make you experience similar situations. Number 3, fueling our emotions. When we are having similar inner conversations, and if it is negative, it will influence our mood negatively and then further create the sense of self or the feeling of I as negative, and then it will further make us have more negative thoughts and our mood will also be negative. It will be like a cycle. It is important to remember that you have the power to change your inner dialogue by choosing the thoughts you want to engage with. It is just we forget this truth, so we need to remind ourselves again and again about it. Now, here are few steps that you can take in order to change your inner dialogue. Number 1, meditation. Meditation is a practice which teaches us to disengage or distance ourselves from our thoughts. Once we realize that we are not our thoughts, we have the power to choose the thoughts we want to engage with and disengage or disregard the unnecessary thoughts. Soon you'll see the unnecessary thoughts will fade away because that they are not getting your attention. Number 2, becoming aware of your inner dialogue. As frequently as you can, start observing your inner dialogue. For example, if you are manifesting money, start seeing your inner dialogue when you are making transactions or when the money is credited or when you are debiting the money. Start seeing the resistance over there. Number 3, affirmations. Start saying words that will help you to imagine what you are manifesting. If you are saying the words and those are not changing the feeling underneath, those words will have very less impact on you. For example, if you are manifesting a specific person and you are saying, I am love, but deep down, if you still feel that you are single, those words are not changing the feeling of I. So you need to change your affirmations. And when you are affirming, start checking with yourself, are you resonating with those affirmations or not? Now, thank you for joining me today. In my next video, we will be talking about gratitude. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.